I think the three biggest problems that are contributing to California's housing crisis are insurance, taxes, and permits. All three of those are huge numbers. And here's an example of someone's insurance that went up by nearly 400%.
Fallbrook resident is facing a nearly 400% increase in the cost of her homeowner's insurance premium. The resident says the bill came suddenly and without explanation. Team 10 investigative reporter Austin Grabish has been covering the state's insurance crisis. He's reported on companies pulling out of the state and talked to homeowners facing nightmares trying to get insurance. Now he follows through and shows us how the state insurance commissioner is responding to this latest story.
Debbie Kirkwood doesn't love gardening, but it's what you'll find her doing every morning.
We're cutting down a lot. We're not going to go out to dinner anymore.
The retired public defender can no longer afford to pay a gardener. In June, she got this $13,000 bill from Farmers Insurance. Her premium was just $2,700 last year.
They said
$2,700 to $13,000. They want over $1,000 a month now.
this is accurate. $13,163 a year.
Debbie moved into this gated community with a fire hall a quick drive away back in 2019. She says costs have been reasonable except for her insurance, which has gone up 900%.
What's your message to...
It's not 400%, it's 900%. That's too much.
farmers?
Why did you do this to me? I'm upset. I've been a good customer for 17 years.
Well, also, go get another insurance policy. I mean, if they're all doing that to you, but I was just looking at insurance and got to shop around. You definitely got to shop around.
Made a claim.
I wanted to know why Farmers Insurance spiked Debbie's insurance premium by so much. The company told me it can't comment on individual cases, but...
You know, so for example, our taxes go up a certain amount, and that is limited, you know, so why can't the insurance premium be limited?
Said wildfire risk is one of several factors it considers when setting rates. What do you think the insurance commissioner needs to do?
He needs to regulate
Resign.
all insurance companies so that no one gets a shocking letter like this.
A spokesperson for Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara says Debbie's story is similar to many other Californians. Quote, we have to first address availability and then address affordability. It's unrealistic to promise that prices will go down overnight. But with Commissioner Lara's sustainable insurance strategy, we are building a system where people pay for coverage they can actually get, not just be pushed onto the FAIR plan with higher premiums and limited protections. Debbie is the latest victim of California's insurance crisis who has contacted Team 10.
How many crises do we have in California? We have an insurance crisis, we have a homeless crisis, we have a housing crisis. There's a lot of different ones here.
In 2023, I showed you one landlord's nightmare trying to get coverage after he was suddenly dropped.
The minute I shared a Ramona zip code, they didn't even want to discuss it with me.
And in May, I talked to an Escondido senior who went to the California FAIR plan after being dropped by his carrier. The plan is considered the costly insurance of last resort due to its limited coverage.
It is. I've heard of it being up to $17,000 for a FAIR plan, and really it wasn't even that expensive of a house. It was under $1 million.
I went from $900 to $3,600.
Back in Fallbrook, Debbie is trying to find another company to write her a policy.
Now you have this. Is your husband going to be able to retire?
No,
That's sad.
no way.
She says if she doesn't find a carrier by the end of August, she may have to move out of her dream home. Austin Grabish, Team 10.